Welcome, everyone. Today, we are learning about ownership using the word whose. Get ready to learn how to ask questions like, whose is this? And answer using an apostrophe S to show who something belongs to. What does whose mean? We use whose to find out who is the owner of something. For example, to ask a question, we say, whose bag is this? To give an answer, we say, it's Tom's bag. Remember, the name before the apostrophe S is always the owner. Here is example 1, showing singular items using this and it. When you ask about one thing, use this in the question and it in the answer. The question is, whose party hat is this? The answer is, it's Sophie's party hat. If you ask about more than one thing, use these in the question and they in the answer. Let's look at example 2. Using an apostrophe S to show possession. The apostrophe S after a name shows that something belongs to that person, so the name before the apostrophe S is always the owner. For example, the question asks, whose balloon animal is this? The answer is, it's Alex's balloon animal. That means Alex is the owner. Here is example 3, showing plural items using these and they. The question is, whose masks are these? There are 2 ways to answer. In full written form, write, they are Ryan's masks. When speaking, you can use the short form, they're Ryan's. Remember to use the full form when writing and the short form when speaking. Example 4 shows that you can leave out the noun. The question asks, whose party poppers are these? The short answer is, they're Emma's. The full answer is, they are Emma's party poppers. Both answers are completely correct. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Look at each picture carefully. Use whose to ask the question, then give the right answer using an apostrophe S. You can do it. Here is question 1. Fill in the missing words. How do we ask about a single brush? The question is, whose brush is this? And how do we answer? The answer is, it's my brush. Question 2. Fill in the missing words. How do we ask about plural crayons? The question is, whose crayons are these? And the answer is, they're Lily's crayons. Question 3 is about Ben's books. How do we ask and answer? The question is, whose books are these? The answer is, they're Ben's books, or simply, they're Ben's. You can leave out the word books. Question 4 is about Clara's costume. How do we ask and answer? The question is, whose costume is this? The answer is, it's Clara's costume, or simply, it's Clara's. Again, the noun can be left out. Question 5 is about my brother's sunglasses. How do we ask and answer? The question is, whose glasses are those? The answer is, they're my brother's glasses, or simply, they're my brother's. Great use of the apostrophe S. Well done, everyone. You've learned how to use whose. To ask about an item, say, whose pencil is this? Or whose books are those? To answer for a singular item, say, it's Tom's pencil. To answer for plural items, say, they're Tom's books. Fantastic job today.